Can we change or remove phone number on Spotify? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can change or remove phone number on Spotify. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, you can head over to your Spotify app. After you're on your Spotify app, you'll notice that there is no option to edit anything on your account. So that's for your app only. What you can do is you can actually head over to your web browser and search for Spotify. After that, log into your account and this is where you'll land. Now tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. After doing that, you can head over to view account option, tap on view account, and it will redirect you to another page. Now what we do is under account, we can head over to edit profile. After tapping on edit profile, you'll actually get your different options where you can simply select your different you can select your different email password. You can change your passwords as well. You can change your gender and you can change your country or region as well. But there is no option to change your phone number or even remove your phone number. So you can head back. So if it's not on edit profile, it's a really slim chance that it's on anywhere else. You can simply find that here. You will notice that there is no option to actually change or remove phone number on Spotify. So yeah, that's basically it guys. I hope you found this video helpful and now you know that you cannot change or remove phone number on Spotify. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.